Morning. You saw my last video, you know I just arrived in Spain, in Santander. I haven't got much time here. In about 3 hours I need to get a bus inland a bit, but until then I'm just going to walk around, explore and see what I can see. First of all, I need to find the bus station and drop the bags off. Well, that was easy to find, just across the road. Ah, perfect, that's what I was looking for. Right, let's drop this bag off. That's the bag gone. I'm going to hit the port area again and just take a walk up, see what's there. There seems to be some kind of art centre. The whole building is propped up on columns. It's not actually touching the ground. If we look back to where we came, you can see the Salamanca, the Brittany Ferry's ferry that we came in on. I'm going to head inland and find the cathedral. Just around here somewhere. I need to keep an eye on time because I don't want dramatic shots of me running for the bus last minute to end the video with. The scourge of padlocks on bridges. What do people do? And unless I'm very much mistaken, that looks like the cathedral there. The back of it anyway. Just need to find a way around to the front. Okay, let's wander the streets a bit. Well, it's well past 9 now, but it still seems that the city hasn't woken up properly yet. It does seem very quiet, apart from the roads. It's weird. As a devout atheist, I do find churches fascinating. You know, it doesn't look it, but it's actually getting quite warm. For me at least. I'm sure the Spanish don't care. So I'll just chill out here for a couple of minutes, watch the world go by. Quite a nice square until all the banging and the hammering and drilling starts. Like that. It looks like I've done a bit of a circle. There's that park with the bridge and all the artwork in. Okay, let's see if we can hit the waterfront again. Okay, it's probably a good place to end it there. I'm going to head back to the bus station, see if I can get a coffee or something before I get on the bus to Burgos. So thank you very much for coming. Sorry it's a short one today. It's just a little quick stroll around Santander. Probably deserves a lot more time than I can give it. but that'll have to wait till next time. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.